Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to stop PC from randomly shutting down. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. So to stop your computer from randomly shutting down, you can follow these methods to diagnose and resolve potential issues. Now, first method, overheating is a common cause of unexpected shutdowns. Ensure your PC is clean and free of dust. Use compressed air to clean out the vents, fans, and internal components. Monitor temperatures. Use temperature monitoring. For example, on your manufacturer hardware, you can use the AMD to check the CPU and GPU temperatures. Ensure the temperatures are within the normal operating range for your hardware. Method 2. A faulty power supply unit can cause shutdowns. Ensure all power cables are securely connected. And if you have a spare PSU, try swapping it out to see if the issue persists. Use a PSU tester to check your current power supply is functioning correctly. Method 3. Malware can cause system instability and shutdowns. So go to your settings by clicking on the Windows, then click on Settings. Then go to Windows Update or Windows Security. Then go to Windows Security and Virus Threat Protection and just click on Quick Scan. Another method, press Win plus X, then go to Device Manager. So what we need to do here is drivers can cause hardware malfunctions. So what we need to do is update those drivers. So on your disk drivers, click on the drop down, then just right click on one of your drivers and click on update driver. Another method, ensure your operating system is up to date. So to check for any updates, go to Windows and Updates and just click on Install All if there is available updates. Next method, click on Windows, then type in Command, then run as administrator. Click Yes, and the command prompt, type in sfc dash scan now and hit enter, and allow the process to complete. Next method, faulty hardware components can cause shutdowns. Use the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. To do this, press Win plus R, then type in MDS get this one and hit OK. Then just click on Restart Now and check for problems. Next method, Event Viewer can help identify the cause of shutdowns. Press Win plus X, then go to Event Viewer, go to Windows Logs, System, and look for critical errors around the time of the shutdown. And lastly, go to your system, then go to the recovery, and reset this PC. If all else fails, this is the only way to consider reinstalling Windows. By following these steps, you can systematically troubleshoot and resolve issues that might be causing your PC to shut down randomly. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.